Welcome to Thrive's HR Essentials on Understanding Undue Hardship. This video was designed to explore the concept and application of undue hardship and its significance in the duty to accommodate. Employers and organizations must accommodate individuals to remove barriers. They are not required to do so if the accommodation would cause undue hardship. Undue hardship is a legal concept within Canadian human rights law that acts as a limit on the duty to accommodate. Undue hardship arises when the accommodation would impose an excessive burden on the organization, whether that burden is financial, operational, or related to health and safety. Several factors determine whether an accommodation would result in undue hardship. Let's look at the most common ones. Cost. The accommodation may be considered undue hardship if it is prohibitively expensive relative to the size and financial resources of the organization. However, organizations are expected to seek out funding or subsidies that could offset these costs. Health and safety. If the accommodation poses a significant risk to the health or safety of the individual or others in the workplace, it may be considered undue hardship. This factor is particularly important in environments like healthcare, manufacturing, or construction. Size and resources of the organization. A large organization with extensive resources may be expected to bear greater costs or make more substantial adjustments than a smaller organization. Impact on other employees. Accommodations that significantly disrupt the work environment or place undue strain on other employees may qualify as undue hardship. And disruption to operations. If the accommodation causes significant disruption to the organization's ability to carry out its operations, it might meet the criteria for undue hardship. It's important to remember that undue hardship is a high standard. Organizations must demonstrate that they have considered all reasonable options before claiming undue hardship. Undue hardship isn't just about the law, it's also about maintaining a fair and inclusive workplace. Even if an organization believes it has met the standard for undue hardship, it's crucial to approach the situation with sensitivity and a genuine commitment to finding alternative solutions. Documenting the process thoroughly and transparently is key to ensuring compliance with human rights laws. Organizations should also seek expert advice from HR consultants and/or legal advice if they believe an accommodation request meets the undue hardship threshold. Proper documentation and consultation can help mitigate potential legal risks. To summarize, undue hardship is the point at which an accommodation becomes too difficult or costly for an organization to implement. It's a high legal standard, determined by various factors like cost, health and safety, and operational impact. However, the underlying goal is to ensure fair treatment while balancing the organization's ability to function effectively. Thank you for joining us on our HR Essentials on Undue Hardship. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable knowledge to navigate undue hardship concerns. Stay tuned for more HR Essentials designed to help you protect, grow, and build a thriving workplace.